Oh.
So, I made a no black mark. This is my second video. We just made a no black mark over there. And this
Look
is
at that
sick.
one.
This is sick.
What's so cool about it? Goes kind of like that.
It goes,
A little squiggly.
yeah.
That's cool.
And kind of like a little snake that went.
Oh, a snake. Cool.
That had water dog.
Yep.
That'd be sick.
So what do we say?
Subscribe and Team Flash here. I do my channel.
Oh, I missed it. We gotta do it all over again.
Oh.
So what do we just do?
So we just did. So we biked and I stopped and scat and I made a black mark.
That's awesome.
And subscribe to Team Flash. Dad, you better redo my channel.
Okay, yeah, we'll get Team Flash going back on. Till next time, thumbs up.
And guess what? My dad wanted me to go over there and make a skid mark. So I did it, and it made it go black.
Holy jumped it. Oh, cool. Thank you, Harley.
Hey, maybe it could be under there.
Yeah, they took the
Yup,
rubber
it
off.
is.
Oh, it is. Look at that, guys.
What's the rubber off?
Show us where.
Look at this.
Right on. You ready to roll?
Okay, please.
Let her have it. Whoa. Oh, you kid. No problem. You're awesome. Let's focus on the bike. Wow, good what? You sent it pretty good.